We'll guide you through how to log into Dropbox using the most recent methods and UI elements for 2025 and 2026. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Dropbox.com. Once the homepage loads, look for the Sign In button located in the top right corner of the screen and click on it. This will take you to the login page. Now, you need to enter your email address associated with your Dropbox account in the first field. Make sure you type it correctly to avoid any login issues. Next, move on to the password field and enter your secure password. If you happen to forget your password, you can click on the Forgot Password link below the password field to initiate a password reset process. Once you've entered your credentials, click on the blue Sign In button. At this point, Dropbox will verify your information. If everything checks out, you'll be logged into your account. If you have two-step verification enabled, you'll be prompted to enter a verification code sent to your phone or email. Make sure to have access to the device where you receive these codes. Enter the code in the designated field and click Verify. You're now in your Dropbox account, where you can access your files, upload new documents, and manage your folders. If you're using a shared or public computer, remember to log out after you're done by clicking on your profile icon at the top right corner and selecting All OG Out. This ensures your account remains secure. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.